Hey guys, it's Wayne again, and well, all right, I have a project that I just completed, and I wanted to share it with you. But if what I did a little upgrade on a Kirby diamond. Customer wanted some things done, and so I used some things I had, and I kind of did a little upgrade. And one of the things we did was we put a 50-foot cord on this diamond. You can't purchase brand new gray diamond cords. Everything is in that black dye now. So even if it's a G4, G5, ultimate diamond, the cords are going to come in black. But I wanted, unless there's overstock, but I wanted a 50-foot cord. He wanted more of a commercial length. So let me see if I can show you here. See if you can get. It comes 50 feet. All right, you can probably remove the tag, but I'm gonna show you if you're interested. Oh, hey, take a look at what I did also. I do artwork. You guys could probably see in back of me. There's a few drawings in the back here, and I did this years ago, and I'm finally gonna release it to this particular customer. But take a look at this. This is a transformer handle that I did. If you notice, the fingers are coming out a little bit on that end, so I used a little bit of we carved out, put some layers on here, carved it out, painted it. So that I thought that was pretty cool. I did a couple of different ones: Spider-Man, Iron Man. Had one with Panther on it for the Panthers, and I had a Panther kind of going down here. So these, I like these. Anyone interested in this, let me know, because I stopped doing it because felt like there was a lot of work, and I didn't see the turnover on it. So, but it seemed to be some people are starting to be interested in this stuff again. So this is pretty cool. And but if you're interested in learning how to change a cord on a Kirby, it's fairly simple. Stick around, and I'll show you how to do that. All right. Okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna share this with you. So why change the cord, right? So the most requests I get for a cord change, either there's a short or something like that. But you'd be surprised the reason why the majority of customers will have their cords changed that bring them to me is because dogs may chew up the cord, right? You know, for some reason they're attracted to the cords. I just hope that they never do it while the vacuum is plugged in, because, well, But take a look at this one. This is from Bunnies. Is this amazing or what? Bunnies, one of my customers, and she happened to be the only person to ever bring the bunny problem to me, and we chuckle about it every time that the bunnies would chew up the cords. So if you have bunnies at home that chew up your cords, share it in the comments because this one got me, So I guess the next thing I'm going to be looking for is maybe gerbils or something like that to see if anyone have gerbils that chew up the cords. My brother had hamsters and gerbils when we were younger, so those gerbils, if they get out, man, they can really kind of get into some stuff, all right? So anyway, let me show you how to change this cord, all right? All right, so what you're gonna need, well, all right, if you have a G3, a G4, and maybe even a G5, you may need a Phillip, okay? I'm thinking starting from either the later G5s and the G6s and on, then you'll need torque screws. Okay, you'll need a T20 and a T15 for the smaller ones. All right, so just keep that in mind. All right, so you're gonna need these screws. All right, these drill bits. All right, so now for Kirby, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the bag. And then we're gonna remove the handle and the bag and the handle, and then we're gonna remove the scuff plate in the back. and we can get going. Now for the Avaliers and the Centrias, you don't have to really mess with the scuff plate because the cord is not nestled underneath the scuff plate. And I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. All right, so I'm gonna try to maneuver this camera here because I'm doing this one by myself, and I'll see if I can kind of show you properly how to do this. Okay, so let's get the bag going. So this kind of, my hand's gonna kind of go here. Let me turn it down. All right, so this is a different diamond that I'm working with here. So watch this. So up top you have your clip that you're gonna press to get your handle. All right, and then we're gonna, underneath the bag, there's a little place for your hand to kind of fit in, so you can snap the bag in and you can also pull the bag off. All right, bag comes off. So that's showing you right here. All right, that cap that covers the handle, I mean the cord. We're gonna get this off first. All right, but let's remove the handle. You press this button here and lift the handle straight up. Don't move the handle back and forth because you're gonna lock it in. So just press and pull straight up. All right. Okay. Then we're gonna remove the screws in the back. This happened to have some other screw in here, but this, you'll use the T20 for this one. You're gonna use the T20 for this one, and then nestled onto here, you're gonna use a T15 for that one. Okay. All right. Let's go. All right. Okay. All right, that's out. And T15 on top. Okay, so we're gonna take off the scuff plate. This is off. That free up your cord. Now, sometimes the cords would break right here, and that doesn't mean that it's not usable anymore. It's just that your cord may not even be nestled underneath the scuff plate at the time that you're replacing it, because they tend to break here. Okay. All right. So now let's take off the cover for the cord. All right. We're gonna remove this. Now there's a lip in here, so you kind of have to slide it towards the front of the vacuum to get it off. All right, let me see if I can kind of get in closer on this here so you can see what I'm doing. Take a look. All right, got to kind of push it here to pull it out because of this little lip right here. Okay, and you don't want to just rip it off because then you'll break this. All right, see, now the cord just comes right out. See that? And then you can put your new cord in. All right, that's simple. All right, so let me put this cord back in. This cord happened to be okay, but in the case of the other system I showed you earlier, we put a 50-foot cord on there. Kirby cords are normally 32 feet. So if you need a cord, you can also get cords from us, okay? Let me just pop this back because I'm straining my head here to kind of talk to you. You can also order cords from our website. We sell the 50-foot cords also. So if you want to do that, the link is going to be below. And that's a good way to support the show that we're doing here. You know, trying to help you to eliminate some of the services that you can do yourself. Okay, things that you don't have to go to the shops, and if it can save you a few dollars, go ahead. But if you say how do I support what we're doing? You can order a lot of supplies, and if you don't see a supply at my shop, on my store, let me know, because I'm pretty much kind of doing this on a solo gig here. So I get caught up in my day-to-day, and a lot of the online stuff is just like, okay, I'll get to it later. But anyway, let's get to this. All right, and let me show you. We're gonna put a new cord back in here. Let me just put this back down again, and we'll get it. All right, here we go. Pop new cord in, and then you're gonna put the bottom part of the lip of this thing in first, and then we'll put it up and slide it. All right, so can you see that? Yes, you can. All right, so we're gonna do that. Let me move this drill out the way. This is kind of, watch this. Bottom in, slide it, and now you can come back and let's put this back in there. That's how simple that is to change your cord. All right, for the Kirby anyway. Other vacuums, you may unless you really like working with electrical wires and things like that, for other types of vacuums, it's best that you just go to a shop or have someone who's good at electrical things to mess with that, because that's a little different than these. But these are fairly simple. All right, here we go. So now let's get in closer so I can show you what I'm doing here. So now, really, I'm gonna kind of rest this, turn it this way. All right, I'm gonna, now, if you look, there are two, you got these, let me see if you can, I'm gonna point to them. This thing right here and right here. And let's make sure that we can get these underneath this section of the Kirby first, this part, get it onto here first. We're gonna nestle it onto there, okay? And then we'll put the cord in. See that, how it just fits right there? And then we're gonna snap it down. And we'll get our T15 and we're gonna secure that in the back. Okay? And this is the little mini screw, try not to lose that. All right, we'll put it in here. Look at that. And then we have ourselves the, where's the other one? Here we go. And we're gonna put this little screw to secure the back of the scuff plate here. And that's it. Check that it's working right. Okay, so now you can replace, you can put your bag back on, your handle, snap it back in. Put your bag on. And you got your cord, wrap it back up here like this, and your cord is back. Just like that. No fuss, no muss. Okay? It's good to go. So I hope that helped. Hope that wasn't too discombobulated and everything else. But yeah, if you are interested, let me show you the Iron Man. I'm gonna run and go get that one real quick. Just give me 1 second, okay? I'm gonna show you. I did these about 12 years ago, and I stopped. And I'm thinking people are gonna be more interested in these. It's just fun stuff, you know. But I don't really mess around with the other vacuums. But Kirby's, I'll do it with. All right, take a look at this one. This is a G5. G5 Iron Man. See that? We got an Iron Man face up top here, right? The Iron Man face, we etched it in. Iron Man down here. And then I was messing around with the body. See that? Need to put a cover over this. And little flames, right? I even covered the scuff plate. I may sell this one. I'm not sure. I've been holding on to it for a while. I may get rid of it. If you're interested in it, the bag is new. It's a new G5 bag. You let me know if you're interested in it. I'll release it to somebody. Okay, but yeah. But this is, so if you're interested in getting something like this done, let me know. Contact me in my contact or something. Until next time. But remember, go to our website. It's monroevacuums.com, and you can find the 50-foot cord if you're interested in replacing your cord, okay? Even if it's just to upgrade it. All right, talk to you soon. Bye.